Hey guys, this instruction video is on how to install Hox3D's Universal Wall Mount for LEGO ships. So let's jump right into it. When you receive your mount, you'll notice that you have the assembled mount along with drywall mounting hardware. The drywall mounting hardware for each universal mount consists of 2 metal screws and 2 self-drilling drywall anchors. Let's take a closer look at the mount. Hox3D offers 4 different sizes of this universal wall mount. You can tell which size mount it is by reading the text that is right behind the knob. Here is the micro size mount, small size mount, medium size mount, and finally the large size mount. This wall mount is made up of 4 pieces: the mount itself, the threaded knob, ball joint, and a Lego plate pin. The size of the Lego plate will depend on what size mount you purchased. You can take the mount apart by first pulling the Lego plate pin out of the mount, taking out the thread by turning it to the left, then pushing the ball joint out. Then in regards to reassembling it, it is a reverse process. First, push in the ball joint and make sure the hole is facing out of the mount, then reinsert the threaded knob by turning it to the right. Then match the flat side of the hole in the ball joint with the flat side of the Lego plate pin and push it in. It should snap in its correct place. You can prevent the ball joint from moving by tightening the knob. Again, you tighten it by turning it to the right. Let's start this mounting process. Along with the included mounting hardware, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a 5/16 inch drill bit, a power drill, a pencil, a level, and a tape measure if you would like to place it in a specific location. If you are using a tape measure, go ahead and measure for your needs and mark where you would like the mount to be. Now line up the mount to the mark, or if you did not use a tape measure, place a mount where you would like it to be. Then place a level on top of the mount and use your pencil to mark where the 2 holes are on the wall. Make sure your level is level when you do this. Then go ahead and put your 5/16 inch drill bit inside your power drill and drill holes where you made marks on the wall. This is the only time you will use your power drill. Then grab your drywall anchors and use your Phillips screwdriver to screw in these anchors. Then on one side of the mount, place a screw and use your Phillips screwdriver to begin screwing in this first screw. Do not use a power drill to screw in these screws. Now go ahead and place a second screw on the other side of the mount and use your Phillips screwdriver to fasten the screw to the wall. Tighten both screws until the screws are hand tight. Your mount is now braced to the wall. It is time to put your Lego ship on the wall mount. First, you want to find the center of balance of your ship. I like to use 2 fingers and slide the ship over them using my other hand until I find an estimated center of balance. It is important to do this so the Lego plate does not struggle to hold on to your ship. Once you find an appropriate center of balance spot, connect the mount to the ship at that spot. You may need to loosen the mount a little to connect the Lego plate to your ship. Once it is connected, angle your ship in an orientation you like, then tighten the mount. In case you have trouble connecting the ship to the mount by directly placing it on the mount, you can take the Lego plate pin out of the mount by pulling it outwards from the wall, then connecting it to the ship. Then reinserting the Lego plate pin with it connected to the ship back into the mount. Again, the Lego plate pin should snap into place. Angle your ship in an orientation you like, then tighten the mount. Congratulations! You have now successfully mounted your ship on Hox3D's Universal Wall Mount for LEGO ships. If you have any more questions or concerns, please reach out to Hox3D at hox3d.llc@gmail.com and we will be happy to help.